Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the Crafter's Companion letterpress. So let's get started. Let's see what's in the box. Okay. So you get your user guide, a pack of cotton sheets, cotton paper, the ink, which is a dye based. It's non-smear and watercolor. Your cotton paper. You've got a few metal stamps. Quite nice they are. This is extra shim to go in the platform. Yeah. And you get your platform. I've had it ages and I've wanted to try it, but I've never had time. So I thought I might as well do a YouTube video on it. So this is your platform. You've got all your different sizes. So you've got a 5x7, a 4x6, an A2 and a 5x5. Okay, and this comes out. It's magnetic, so your metal stamps or your plates, whatever you want to call them, they'll stick to this so they don't move. So I'm going to put the extra shim in there, and that is if you want a deep embossing. So okay, let's undo these. Quite a nice nice stamp. Nice flower. Obviously you can see that it sticks, it's really strong. I also bought these as well, ticker tape sentiments, so I might as well open them while we're at it. So you've got your your dies to cut them out, and so we'll do them in a bit. So I'm going to do a card. So you've got 4 different colours. What size is this? This looks like a 4x6. It's just a bit bigger than 4x. Oh no, it's not. It's A2. I do apologise. Okay, so we need to decide where we want them. Let's have a look. And we're going to need. Let's choose this one with love. Make sure it's all in the right place. I'm quite excited to use this. Okay, so I've used the A2. Yeah. So on here, this would then need to go onto the A2 grid, because you've got measurements on there as well. So let's place that there. I think, yeah, you get some low tack tape. To stick your card down. Okay. Let's see if I find the end. easy tearable. Sure it's level. Right. So you're supposed to rub with this ink instead of dabbing, and that could be you might move the metal plate, but we shall see. Okay, so rub, make sure it's all covered. Getting all the little bits. Don't forget the sentiment. Okay. Right, now fold that over. Let's put my Max Verstappen car on the way. Right, let's see. A bit. Oh wow. Wow, that's really good. That's, you can't really see it, but it's actually gone right through. I'll a bit closer. You can actually see that it's like debossed into the other side. That's really nice, that is. Oh, I think I might have it upside down. Wow. I wonder if other inks will work with it. Let's have a look, see if other inks will work. Get a couple of what colour shall I choose? Let's choose a blue. I don't know if that is upside down. Yeah, I think it is, because it shows the picture on the on the but never mind, we shall let's have a look. Let's do one there. Right, so this is pigment ink for blending and embossing. Let's see if that will. Oh, I've dirtied the let's get a cloth. Because I don't want any of that to go onto the card. No, it stains. Oh, that's a bit of a. Never mind. Never mind. That's where I took it off. I was dabbing instead of rubbing. Oh, let's have a look. So, another card in the A2. So you can colour these in with your watercolour inks. This one you'd be able to colour in with your alcohol markers. I best put a piece of tape at the top. Okay, so we're just going to get part of it. Okay, fetch in there. So yeah, that's done well. So we'll have a bit of a pattern up there. We'll have a bit of a pattern down here. Hopefully that will all come off, but we shall see. Okay. I'm quite impressed with it though. It's really, really good. Yeah, I just didn't rub a bit there, but so I wonder if that will fit. See if I can get some cleaner to clean the platform. Wonder if that'll work. I'm about to find out. Oh, I just did it a bit too high. But yeah, I'm impressed with it. First time using it, and I don't think it'll be the last. I'll have to see what other cards you can use with it. Apparently you're supposed to be able to use if you've got any foil press plates, you'll be able to use them with it as well. So yeah, well, that was the unboxing of the Letterpress by Crafter's Companion. Thank you for watching. Ta-ra!